Hi everyone, it's Lori from the Nighty Bookmaker with a new album. I want to share with you. I didn't do a tutorial on this one either, but I do have one coming for the Nutcracker and possibly one for Tea Party from Graphic 45. So I'll quickly go through this one. This is 8.5 by 8.5 by 2 3/4. It has 8 interactive pages with pullouts, and I haven't done the pullouts, I just realized. The pullouts are there, they're just not papered yet. Anyways, here's the front, and it's got a little bit of layering. A swingable tag on the front, and then the spine is just that, and then the back is this. Okay, so now we'll open it up, and the first page is just it's just got a little magnetic flip on it, so that you can put stuff in here that it will hold. So like if you had pictures, there's a magnet there that will hold it in place, or you can adhere it to the background. There's lots of room for pictures there. And then some embellishments. And these are found throughout the album. And then on the first page is 2 flaps, and this is a frame, so you can pop a picture in here if you wanted to, in there as well. And then there's a pocket in behind with a couple of tags, ephemera cards in it. Okay, and then open it up, and again we have some more embellishments here with some greenery and holly, and you can tuck a picture in behind it. I guess it's not there. It's stuck in there, and you pop it in behind there like so. Okay, and they open this, so you got a place for photos here and here, and then some more embellishments on the other side. You see, you just pop your pictures in behind it. Okay, we'll do that up. Now to the next page, some more embellishments with you can pop a picture in behind it or whatever you want in there, with some greenery and tags and buttons and things. And you open it up, and you have a vertical slot in here for tags or what have you, or you can just put a photo right over top of it. It's not your traditional pocket. Okay, and the same down here at the bottom, you can see that. You have that slot right there with your tags, photos, or what have you, or put a photo right on top, and as well as here. And down here. Next, this one's just a simple page. It's it's got a lift. You can put a photo in behind there and journal in the top, or and leave your pretty squirrel on the front. And then you can open it up, and you have pockets inside on the bottom of each flap with tags and journaling cards and ephemera in there, and on the ends of each one there is a piece of red ribbon on each end, and you'll find it periodically throughout the album in other areas. I've used it as edging or trim. So the next page is squirrels building a snowman. And I forgot to mention, this is from the Stamperia collection. It's a Snowy Day, I believe is what it's called. Or Snow Day. It's a snow day? Snowy Day. It's a snowy day. Sorry, I should have mentioned that right off the bat, but I completely forgot. Okay, so we're going to open this up, and we have our squirrels with the mailbox, and you can tuck things in behind here as well. And you can put a photo here and a photo here and here. Okay, and we close that up, leaving this down. We're going to open this up this way. We have some more embellishments up here that you can tuck things underneath. And then we have a pocket down here that I made with the city, or the housing. the apartment block that's in this set, and then the tree background. So it looks like it's up against the forest. So you have the apartments in the front. Okay. Put that down. Okay, on the next page, it's just a simple pocket with December Joy and with brass as accents. You just pop our items in here, pictures, what have you. Open it up, and again we find our embellishments on here. You can tuck things behind them, slide something right in there, a long picture. And we have some more journaling ephemera in the back. And then here we have, it just opens up, we have an ephemera card here. Close that up. We have this almost last page, fourth page, sixth page. Okay, and you open it up with the ribbons, and you have area here for photos here, and then inside we have ephemera here again, or embellishments here again. You can tuck things in the pockets, and you can also tuck things up underneath here as well. So if you have a large photo, you can tuck it up inside there like that, or put things in pockets here. Like that. Okay. Do that up after. Now over here we have just a double flap with some embellishments on the front, and you can tuck pictures behind here, journaling cards, ephemera, whatever you like. So open this up, and we're going to look inside. Same thing here. We got a pocket here. Let's see. You pop things in here really long. And then you have a tuck spot over here. With some more ephemera layered. This is all layered embellishments as well. So they've all got dimension, 2, 3 layers. Okay, I'll just leave that in here for now. Okay, tie that up after. Okay, now we're on the last page, and we're going to open it up. We have a place for photos here, here, and then we have all this space for photos. And then we have another embellishment over on this side, another layered one. You can see that. Several layers there. Let It Snow on here. And then the back is the same as the front. So it's just, you open that up, you can pop a picture in there and it will stay. Place to journal on here as well. Put a photo here. And lots of photo space here as well. Okay, so that's my album. And yeah, I'm sure it's a snowy day. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. I don't have the paper anymore because it's all in the album. So like I have nothing that tells me that it's what it is. I believe it's a snowy day. I seem to recall that I did cut out the logo somewhere in case I needed it for something. Let's see if it's in all my ephemera pieces here. Oh. Yep, there it is. It's a snowy day. The Memories of a Snowy Day. That's what it's called. And it's not from Stampere, it's from Cavella. Oh my God. Oh Lord. I might have to do this video again. Oh my goodness. Alright, there you go. It's available in my Etsy shop. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you again real soon. Bye now.